Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Sperry, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe right down below. And if you're not new, thanks for sticking it out with me. And today I am going to show you guys a tutorial of the hair in the thumbnail. I sectioned the front part of my hair and I have a very dry scalp, so I'm gonna make sure I moisturize it. And over here what I'm doing is just covering up the center part I made. It is very important to moisturize your parts because it's being exposed. Over here I'm just trying to put my hair in a ponytail, and I'm using yarn to tie it right now because yarn is very safe for natural hair. It does not rip it off or anything like that, rather than rubber bands. Next, I'm gonna use my Cuban twist ponytail, which I made myself. And if you want to see how I made this, there will be a link in the description or the comment box. You can check it out and learn how to make it yourself too. So over here is just on my hair, and I'm trying to pin it underneath. I just rolled it and I'm pinning it underneath my bun right now. Next, I have a single Cuban twist which I split into two, and I'm going to use half of it for one braid and the other half for another braid. So I use some hair slicker from the Cocoa Naturals for the roots of my hair in order to have a smooth grip of it. Then I twisted about an inch of my own hair, and then I'm adding the extra extension to it. So I just tuck it in like that, and then I twist it. To be honest, the Cuban twist matches my hair so bad that you can hardly tell it's not my hair. I got this in the color 1B. I'm going to do the same thing as I did for the first one. Tuck the extension in it after I've braided my own hair for about an inch. And then I'm just going to twirl and twist. So next, after the whole braid is done, we are just going to wrap it around the bun and then tuck it in. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm just going to wrap it around and then tuck it in. So just to let the flyaway hairs lay down, I'm going to scarf my hair for a few minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So this is the outcome of the hair, and I did put some accessories in it around the bun. I did put this wrap that I had, and it makes it look so cute. So let me know if you guys liked this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like and also subscribe if you're not subscribed, because we have more coming up.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up.